Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a map to your web page. So I want to add my map just under this first heading here. So I have my H1, hello, this is a web page. I have a break and I have another break before I have my second heading. So I'm going to pop in a map in there, and to show you how to do that, first of all, we need to find out what map do we want. And the easiest and very simplest way of doing it is using Google Map. Google Maps makes it really easy for us to embed a map into our web page. So if you were doing marketing for a business, and you could put their map into their website very simply. And to do that, you simply, first of all, go to Google, and I'm going to type in Google Maps, and I'm going to pop into Google Maps. I need to find the location of the business, the organization, whatever it is that I'm looking for. So if I type in, for example, Moat Community School, search for it, it gives me the location of the school, which is here. I can see it with the red pin. Now over here with my information, it gives me all the details of the school. And if I click on this share link here, and where it says embed a map, that's what I'm really interested in here, embed a map. Click on that, and where I see my iframe, I'm going to copy that HTML. It says it's copied to my clipboard. I'm going to go back to my code.org website, and I'm just going to right click and paste in that information, and that immediately brings my map embedded into my web page. Now, very quickly, you can look at your code here, and you can pick out your width and your height. So if you wanted to change that, you can do it very simply. And just to show you, if I change the width of the map there to 300, you can see it's much, much narrower. And if I want to change the same then for the height, you can see you now have a small map embedded. That's entirely up to you. You're the coder, you decide how it looks.